Come here. Don't run away from me. He just like turned his back on me. Come here. He's laughing. Dude. Go there. I'm not gonna go out there. He'll attack me. That's the point. How about you do it? No. Come here. Give me a rooster. I'll give you a popcorn. I'll give you some popcorn. Come here.
Throw some popcorn at him.
I know, but I'm afraid he'll die because he's not supposed to eat popcorn or something.
So?
I don't know.
Popcorn is red.
I don't know. Okay, let's do it. Come here. Isn't he the rooster that they couldn't catch?
Uh-huh.
Well, why? I mean, he's right there. I don't know.
Roar! No,
Don't do that. He's not supposed to be scared. I would tell you. Hey, my rooster. Shut the gate. Come here, rooster. Come here, rooster. I for serious think he's thinking about attacking me. He's like, I don't even know if it's worth it. Where? I don't want to touch him. I don't want to.